Hey guys, today let's learn how to add more than 10 photos in your Instagram. So if you guys would like to go ahead and add more than not just one, but also 10 photos on your Instagram application or Instagram post, all we need to do is to launch the Instagram application like so, tap on the plus icon, and of course choose the preferred option, and I'm going to go ahead and choose post. Once we're here, I'm going to go ahead and basically choose my preferred photos that I'd like to go ahead and post. Of course, make sure that you have your multiple or select multiple photos enabled so that you could choose multiple photos. Proceed with choosing your preferred photos that you'd like to go ahead and post. I'm going to go ahead and choose these photos over here. And once you have reached the 10 photo limit, of course, you cannot actually post any photos anymore. So what can you do to work around that? Instead of posting a post, you could actually post these as a reel. So let's go ahead and revert those changes and tap on reel. And then you could now proceed with choosing the same amount of photos or choosing the same photos, but you could choose more than 10 now. And by doing so, that's going to allow you to choose more than 10 photos and also post that as well. As you can see, I've already chosen 14 photos and post them simultaneously as a reel on Instagram. Of course, your reel is going to be a video, but that is a quick workaround if you'd like to go ahead and post more than 10 photos on your Instagram. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe and take care.